This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Aave today. Aave, I observed setting up uh, here in between uh, the S3 and S4 Camarilla pivots. So this would be an area of discount. So I would be looking to buy in this area and look to go long here to the R3 level here. This purple line being R3, purple line S3, this purple line being S4 here. I'll go into further detail here on my entry and trade on the 15-minute, but first we'll go into some top down on the weekly for the big picture trade idea. So here on the weekly, this is the current strong low. This is the current week high up here. We can see it's been selling all the way down to retest this strong low and then found support and is now back into the middle of this large range that it's trading in. So overall, Aave showing strength on the weekly chart. Here on the 4-hour chart, this was the during today's trade was the strong high. This was the week low, and we can see Aave found support here at this low and then ran the extent of the range here back to the top of the range here. And another thing that I like to see when trading inside ranges, the S3, R3, or R3 to S3, taking the trade at the far end of the range on the 4-hour. So going long, I'd want to be at the lower end of the range here on the 4-hour, and going short, I'd want to be at this upper end of the range here on the 4-hour. And then here on the 15-minute, here on the 15-minute, again, opens up. Aave opens up in this area of discount here. So this would be the open candle for the New York Open here. So we can see also, actually we'll come in tighter here on the 15, and I'll walk you through everything that I'm seeing here. So again, this opening up in this area of discount in between S3 and S4. This orange line that you're seeing here, this is the structural opening range for Aave here for the New York Open. And we can see here in the open, Aave does a market structure shift right here at the open. So we have opening in an area of discount, discounted price. We have a market structure shift. And then what I'm looking for here is either pull back to an order block at a support level, which the way that I see this could potentially be an order block here for pullback here with support here at this S4 level, or for with this breakout here for an order block to be put in at a support level at the upper end of the range. So that would be here. So I would have this being an order block put in here at the upper end of this opening structural range. And then I took an entry when this order block is confirmed here. Actually, I could have likely taken an entry when it was confirmed here, but I took this entry here. And then we can see here I was able to get the price action with this buying to go up above the S3 level here. And then we get some consolidation in this range, and then we get strong buying here all the way up into the R3 Camarilla pivot level here. And then we'll go over to my tickets for today. So 2 positions today. So this is the Aave position here. I bought at 8.16 this morning. Trade quantity 3.2, comes up to about $10, 22.04. And then here we've got 11.22. We get the sell here, and we're looking at about $45 here. So $10 risk and $45 return here. So we're looking at a 4.5 to 1, 4.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio on this particular trade. But yeah, this is my trade today on Aave. This is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.